guys, it's Rachel and I got this beautiful palette that I am wearing now, and it's Little Twin Stars and Sugarpill collaboration. I absolutely love Sunro, as you probably already know, and I absolutely love Little Twin Stars, their babies, and Sugarpill I really do love. I don't own enough of their stuff just because of the price, and in fact it's normally from America where they're based. But I got this from a UK website called Beauty Bay, and they also stock the lipsticks and the whole big set, which is palette, lipsticks and the pouch. But I only really wanted this, plus I can't really afford the whole set because it's quite pricey, and this literally came yesterday and I needed to use it, of course. It's got a beautiful mirror inside, and it's got Kiki and Lala there, how cute. And then we've got Cloud Maker, which is silver, Star Ribbon, which is basically Kiki's hair, Twinkle Twinkle, which is gold, Dream Dust, which is quite like, it's kind of more of a shimmer than anything, Star Candy, which is basically Lala's hair, Wish, which is kind of like a coppery, browny, goldy kind of colour. And I did swatch them on my arm. I don't know how you do this. Some people do really nice ones, and I tried to just do simple lines and it didn't come out too great, if I'm honest. So yeah, if you want swatches, go to Google because someone will do a lot better than me. Anyway, I tried to create a cute kind of simple-ish look that involved these four colours here. I didn't bother with these two, but yes, I hope you enjoy. And I start off with a base and then blusher and everything else. I will say that I'm really sorry if you can't see much because I forgot my ring light, which is such an idiot, I'm sorry. And also I'm short-sighted and I don't have contacts in, or my glasses on obviously, and my mirror was like here, so I'm probably like, yeah, I can't really see what I'm doing. So anyway, I really hope you enjoy this video and you can actually see what I'm doing, even if you can't. Take some inspo from this hopefully. And this is my little kind of Kiki and Lala inspired look. And yes, here we go.